Hey, this is Matt, and I've got a great video for you today. I want to remind you that as you watch these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that little bell for notifications so you can get a video every time that I upload a video. But today, my video has to do with picking corn. One of the things I've loved to do since I've been pastor down here in Eastern North Carolina, Northeastern North Carolina, is ride the big machines when they're picking corn, picking cotton, all the things that they do. And so today I'm riding with Lassiter Farms, Donnie Lassiter, one of the deacons at my church. Been on his some of his equipment today with one of his guys, Chad Hoggard, who also comes to church as well. And I found out today one of the easier things since the last year, since I've lost all this weight, having lost right at 100 pounds, it was a whole lot easier climbing up into the equipment this year. But I hope you enjoy this video. Just kind of give you a little bit of view of what it's like to be out in the fields, the farms, as they are on these big machines and harvesting the corn. So have a great day and enjoy the video.